Hey guys, welcome to Medical TubeMate. Today we are going to learn about ROS. ROS means Review of Organ System. So let's start without wasting a time. So ROS means a review of organ system. It's a part of history, and history is the key component of ENM. So that relation only I have a design tree diagram here. So you can see tree diagram. Don't be confused with this type of tree diagram because I have mentioned only history. So there are three key components: history, P, and MDM. So I didn't mention P and MDM here. So don't be confused. So I'm taking ROS so that I have mentioned only history point. So ROS is a part of history, and history is a key component of ENM. So you can check my previous video where I have explained all key components of ENM. So history having three sub components. One is HPI, that I had explained HPI in my previous video, and today I am going to take ROS, and I will take next PFSH. So ROS. So ROS is a review of organ system, inventory of body system obtaining through a series of questions seeking to identify sign and symptom to the patient may be experiencing. So means doctor will ask some series of question to the patient to identify sign and symptom where patient is experiencing, and doctor will make a note according to body system, assist provider in narrowing the range of different diagnoses. While ancillary staff or patient may provide ROS in the form of questionnaire, the provider must review for accuracy, add to it when necessary, and note the review in the chart. So ancillary staff provide ROS in the form of questionnaire. Questionnaire means question and answer. So then provider will check for accuracy, and it needs to be added in the chart. So guys, ROS means doctor will review organ system. In case of ROS, there are total 14 organ systems that I have listed here. You can see. See here, first I have listed constitutional, then eyes, ENT, cardiovascular, respiratory, GI, GU, musculoskeletal, skin, neuro, psych, endocrine, lymphatic, hemato, allergic, and immunology. So all are 14 organ systems that I have listed. You can see here. So as a coder, we need to check how many organ system doctor has been reviewed. For example, doctor will write cardiovascular. In that, no pain, palpitation, chest pain, like that, doctor will be mentioned. In case of musculoskeletal, joint pain, normal ROM. In case of skin, mole. Throat, in case of throat, no throat pain. In case of ear, no discharge. So here both are given, means only ENT we have to count. See, throat and ear, so both comes under in ENT. So we have to count only 1 point in ROS, one organ system in ROS. So guys, like that we need to count organ systems. So here level of organ system we need to see. So if suppose a doctor has reviewed only one organ system, means we have to consider it's a pertinent. You can see here in that table. And if suppose a doctor has reviewed 2 to 9 organ system, okay, minimum 2, maximum 9, in between, if doctor has reviewed that much organ system, means we have to consider it's extended. If suppose a doctor has reviewed more than 9, means 10, and more than 10 organ system, means it's a complete. 10 or more than 10, so it's a complete. So you can see here, I have given one example also. In that example, you can read. In eyes, no pain. ENT negative, respiratory negative, cardiovascular negative. So in that example, doctor has reviewed 4 organ systems, okay, and 4 are anything, it's a negative or positive. We have to say only doctor how many organ system doctor has been reviewed. So in that example, doctor has reviewed 4 organ systems. So 4 comes under in extended, 2 to 9. So our ROS is now extended. So When I will take final A&M level, that time you can understand extended means, in which don't be confused with names, extended, pertinent, complete. You just understand today what is ROS. So like that. So guys, this is only today's topic ROS. I will come again with a different and important topic. So take care, like, share and subscribe Medical Tube Med channel for upcoming video. Thank you so much.